Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up fingerprint sign-in on Windows 11 using Windows Hello. Let's get started. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. From there, navigate to the Accounts section. Under Accounts, click on Sign-in Options. Here, you'll see a list of sign-in methods. Look for the option labeled Windows Hello Fingerprint and click on Set Up. A pop-up window will appear. Click on Get Started. If you haven't already set up a PIN, Windows will ask you to create one now as a backup. Once that's done, follow the prompts to scan your fingerprint. Place your finger on the sensor and lift it repeatedly until the scan is complete. Once the setup is complete, lock your device and try unlocking it using your fingerprint. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips.